Moving to the one more problem on Cauchy Riemann equation. Show that w is equal to f of z is equals to log z. Z is not equals to 0 is analytic, and hence find dw by dz. Here it is given z is not equals to 0 means, because if it is z is 0, log of 0 is minus infinity. That's why it is eliminated in earlier only. So by data, w is equals to log z, taking, this is in polar form, taking z is equals to r into e raised to I theta. We have complex number u plus iv is equals to log of z, that means log of r into e raised to I theta. So this can be splitted like this, log r plus log of e raised to I theta or log r. So logarithm rule, I theta log e to the base e, this is equals to log r plus I theta, because log e to the base e is equals to 1. So here u plus iv is equals to nothing. Next, so equating in real and imaginary part. So real part u is equals to log r, imaginary part v is equals to theta. Differentiate with respect to r, log r. So differentiate is, it will be 1 upon r. Now differentiating with respect to theta, so it will be no variable theta, so it will be 0. Next, differentiate v with respect to r, no variable r here, so it will be 0. Next, differentiate with respect to theta, so it will be 1. Next, Cauchy Riemann equations in the polar form. So what is this Cauchy Riemann polar form? That is r ur is equals to v theta and r vr is equals to u theta are satisfied. That means r into ur is equals to 1 and v theta is equals to 1. This is equals to this, and r vr, r into vr is equals to 0 or u theta is equals to 0. Both are same, because vr is equals to 0, vr 0 upon r, it will be again 0, vr is equal to 0, u theta is equals to 0, are satisfied. Also we have very simple problem. Also we have in the polar form, or we know that in the polar form f dash z is equals to e raised to minus I theta into ur plus I into vr. This is nothing but e raised to minus I theta. Ur is 1 upon r plus I into vr. Vr is equals to 0. So it is e raised to minus I theta into 1 upon r. This part is 0. So we can write 1 upon r. Shift this one, negative symbol. So shift this to denominator. It becomes plus, minus becomes plus, e raised to I theta. Since z is equals to r into e raised to I theta, so z is equal to, we have taken r into e raised to I theta in polar form. So f dash of z is equals to nothing but 1 upon z, because so we had proved. So f of z is equals to log z, f dash of z is equals to 1 by z. This is the required solution for this type of problem.